7:41 on your Monday. Colder weather and the holidays usually make for a slower housing market in the fourth quarter, but area realtors expect an atypical market this year. Mortgage rates have been on the decline and are now at lows that we haven't seen in 2 years. 9 News real estate expert Lane Lyon joins us live this morning with more. Lane, of course, is a realtor and managing broker at Coldwell Banker. Lane, thank you for being here.
Good morning. People love hearing low mortgage rates.
Yeah, this is a bright spot for people, I think, really at home right now. So with these rates, are you seeing home buyers they're coming off the sidelines? Things are coming down. They're feeling maybe a little optimistic.
Yeah, I might describe it as a tiptoeing off the fences a little bit, which is good. We are starting to hear from buyers who've been in wait-and-see mode much of the year because of mortgage rates. Lower mortgage rates, of course, can provide more affordability and more buying power for buyers. You know, when it comes to mortgages, I have to say it's been an interesting couple of weeks, really. We saw mortgage rates on the downward trend, which was nice in anticipation of the Fed meeting and cutting that main interest rate. Then they popped up for a second, which really had some people surprised. Mortgage rates are not directly tied to the federal funds rate, but we are looking really good. In fact, I brought a graphic just to show you where we've come and how we're doing. If you take a look, we've got the left side of the screen. Those are the lows coming out of COVID. This is average 30-year mortgage rates. Then we went up. We've been through that period. But look on the far right side. That's the coming down. That tail there is really significant over the last year. We finished out last week at 6.08% for 30-year loans. We really haven't seen that since September of 2022. So we'll take that. This time last year, we were over 7%. You might remember last October, we were touching 8%. So this really is good news for people who are coming back to the marketplace, although we've been working with a lot of clients who are moving for other lifestyle reasons throughout the year. Right.
And speaking of kind of those lifestyle changes, realtors affectionately refer to the 5 Ds. Can you explain what those are?
Sure. This is a little bit of inside baseball, but we know that people move for a variety of reasons, and those motivating factors don't always have to do with interest rates. So here they are. We've got the 5 Ds. First of all, this was nice. You guys put this together. I don't even have to remember this. Thank you so much. Diplomas, people graduating, right? Buying that first home. We're working with some first-time home buyers right now. Diamonds, getting married. We want our first house together. Diapers, you know, kiddos coming along. We need more room. Death and divorce also happens kind of less exciting, but happen regardless of the interest rate sometimes.
Absolutely.
So these are people that have been motivated throughout the year, and now we're starting to see people who say, you know, I'd like to move. And we anticipate we'll see more of that in the fourth quarter.
Absolutely. Okay, so what do you see for the rest of the year? Many people are wondering how low these mortgage rates might go.
Yeah, it's going to depend on a few economic factors. First of all, we've got inflation. We need indicators to say that that's going to stay under control. We've been watching the job market very closely, a softening job market. If that continues, we will likely see mortgage rates continue to go down. Experts are in agreement, though. This is going to be gradual. Don't look for anything major. We have people kind of holding off through the presidential election. That is somewhat typical this time of year. We will see possibly high 5% range going into early next year. We'll have to wait and see. But I must say real quick, there are a lot of opportunities right now. So if you don't have to wait, there are people who've been sitting on the market and would love to strike a deal.
There you go.
So even though prices are still really good, there's a lot of options out there. So take advantage of them.
The time is now, right?
I say
the time is always now, Lane.
Before the diamonds and the diplomas.
Before all the necessities.
Correct, yes.
Yeah, do it because you want to.
I love it.
Lane, thank you as always. You're fantastic.
Welcome. Have a good day.
You on. You too.